I just want to look at your face with the stars in the night. There are times when I just want to feel your embrace in the cold night. I just can't believe that you are mine now. You were just a dream that I once knew. I never thought I would be right for you. I just can't compare you with anything in this world. You're all I need to be with forevermore. All those years I've longed to hold you in my arms. I've been dreaming of you every night. I've been watching all the stars that fall down, wishing you will be mine. I just can't believe that you are mine now.
Happy 20th anniversary, Mama, Papa.
Sana more anniversary to come. Ayun, sana magustuhan niyo yung ginawang video ni Letter. Kasi dapat dalawa kami gagawa nun. Kaso walang time saka yung laptop ko na lang kanina.
Yun sa akin. Good luck sa inyong dalawa. Marami sanang anniversary pag dumating. Yun. Tapos, maalam pa rin kayo sa natin. Yun. I love you po. Happy anniversary po ulit.
I love you so much. Bye-bye.
Happy anniversary, Tita, Tito! Kaya, Tita, ingat po kayo dyan always. God bless po. Kami naman paano kay Tete. Ingat po kayo dyan. Happy anniversary.